Okay, so this is what we've been doing all week, okay? There's no equal sign, okay? This is what we did, okay? Now, let's look at number 1, okay? Even though there's an equal sign, we're still going to draw our two parentheses. We're still going to make two A's. Okay, we're still going to make a list of number 12, okay? So don't get the 12 and the 0 confused. So it's going to be 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. Okay, we're still going to try to get a 4. Okay, how can I get a 4?
6 minus 2.
Well, 2, 6. Okay, and how can I get a positive 4?
Minus plus.
Minus plus. Okay, why can we not say minus plus, though?
Wait, what do you mean?
So
because you have to identify which number it goes to.
yes, okay, so if we say minus plus, and you really have to think, because which way do I always write on? Which way do I always stand?
Left.
Yeah, I'm left-handed. Okay, so when we say minus plus, do I know what you mean? Yes, I do, right? That's just because I know where to put them. Okay, but you guys are getting older, you're going to start taking state standardized tests. Do these people know you? No, they have never met you. So when you say minus plus, we really got to specify and say a minus with the 2 or a negative 2 and a positive 4, okay? So, and the reason is, again, I'm left-handed, so I'm usually over here, right? So we say minus plus, a lot of teachers would do this, okay? Minus and then a plus, okay? So you got to be really careful and intentional with our math words. Okay, so all this is what we already did, okay? This very first one, I'm going to do the long, slow way, and we'll see if you guys can, like, catch it out, and I'm going to tell you the cheater way. Okay, so it says equals what?
0.
0. Okay, so equals 0 really means solve. So we're going to set each factor equal to 0. So a minus 2 equals 0. And then we got a plus 6 equals 0. Okay, look at this very first one. Okay, how do I solve for a?
Plus 2.
Plus 2. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other side. So on this one, I'm going to get a equals, well, 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay, and then on this one, what needs done?
Negative 6.
A minus 6 on both sides. So we get a equals negative 6. Okay, and so this is actually our answer, okay? And really how you would write it is like so. It would be a equals 2 comma negative 6, okay? But if you leave it at this step, it's totally fine. Okay, either way would work, okay? Now, let's talk about what actually happened. The difference between yesterday and today, okay? Yesterday we stopped here, okay? I had these. What happened to my answer?
We shortened it.
Look at it.
Flip it.
Wait.
What do you mean flip it? Again, use your math wordage.
From a positive to a negative.
Okay, so it changed from a positive to a negative, or it changed from a negative to a positive. So look at the 2. What kind was it?
You flipped the sign, so
It was a negative. What kind did it become?
positive.
It became a positive. This was a positive 6, so what happened? It became a negative 6, okay? So let's use that on the next one without even having to do all this, because this is really like a lot of unnecessary
So
work.
basically we just flip it? Is it always like that?
It is, as long as it says equals 0, okay? So let's look at number 3, okay? So we're going to say M and M, 21 is 1 and 21, 3, 7. I need something to give me a 10.
3 and 7.
3, 7, and I need a negative 10.
Minus.
Minus. Okay, so again, this is what we did yesterday. So knowing what we know, and you got to consistently ask yourself, does this say equals 0 or not?
No. Well,
Yes.
Yeah, it does.
Yes, the problem does originally. Okay, so it's going to look like, if it says equals 0, we have the extra step, meaning this step. Okay, so my answer is going to be M equals what? What kind of 3 should it be?
Positive 3,
Positive 3
positive 7.
and a positive 7. Okay, so if we look at number 2, does it say equals 0? Look at number 2.
Oh, no.
No, it does not. So does it have an extra step? No. Okay, so that's going to be just like number 5. Okay, look at number 4. Does it have an equals 0?
No.
No, so it's our regular one. Okay, look at number 6. Does it say equals 0?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so that has this extra step. Okay? Anyone that says equals 0 has the extra step. If it does not say equals 0, we stop at this step. Okay? So that is the only difference from today versus every other day we've been doing this. Okay? Huh?
That's so simple.
Yeah, that's not right. Okay, the rest of the sheet, front, back, both sides, all of the problems are for you. Go through and get all of them done. They usually go pretty fast, okay?